everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so in today's video, I am so excited. I'm going to be decorating a fall tier tray. Okay, so welcome to the Fall Tier Tray collaboration. It is an open invitation for all to enjoy. Now, this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Now, what I love about these tier trays is that you can utilize them anywhere in your home. So if it's in the kitchen on your kitchen counter, like what I'm doing, where you can go ahead and do a coffee bar, a breakfast bar, a dessert bar. You can set up anything depending on how big your counter space is, display food, all kinds of stuff. Now, you can also, it's mobile, so you can also move it around if you're using decor pieces on it. I like to isolate seasonal decor on these little tier trays. It looks so cute, whether it's on the kitchen counter or the dining room table or anywhere else in my home. So these trays are pretty awesome. Now that beautiful pumpkin tray, I got that at Target's Dollar Spot. Absolutely love it. Now you see these napkin rings, the pumpkin with the gems. That was a gift from one of my subscribers. Absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. She also gave me these beautiful spoons. You're gonna see I'm gonna use them. They have like the leaf bottom. Absolutely gorgeous. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate this gift, or when you guys recognize and just send me something beautiful. These are awesome. Now those pumpkin cups, I absolutely love those. I think I got those at Dollar General. And I'm making some coffee here. This is gonna look absolutely amazing. Okay, so I think I'm gonna move the candle around until I like its placement. When we're gonna get ready to head on over to the reveal, guys. I absolutely love how this came out. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. And I do want to take a moment also to thank Debbie for helping me host this collaboration. God bless.